Guys, what is going on? Today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to use Expressvpn to access different catalogs on Netflix. It's 100% the best VPN for streaming sites, okay? I put my name on that and I'm going to show you exactly why right now, so let's get in. So guys, let's get straight into this, okay? This is Expressvpn on the right. If you've not already hit that link down below and got this, please go ahead and do it. Now, I'm actually in France. The last place I was located to was South Korea. I'm going to show you exactly how incredible this is for streaming, because I do believe this is the best VPN out there, especially for streaming sites to watch films. Now you can see this is the normal VPN for France, the UK. We have pretty similar catalogs. As I go through, I'm going to show you an example. Let me just quickly search for one that I 100% know is not in the UK, which is Train to Busan. Okay, I searched for Train to Busan and you can see here that nothing comes up. Okay, this isn't in France, this isn't in the UK, which is where I drop between. Now guys, watch what happens when I connect to South Korea. Okay, I'm gonna go into the app in a second. I just wanna show you what happens when I connect to South Korea and I refresh this whole site. You're now gonna see that I can watch this film, which is on a different catalog in a different country, with one click of Expressvpn. You can see it there, Train to Busan. Now, just to prove this to you that I'm not lying, okay, let me connect to Germany, for example. I actually don't know if it's in Germany. We're about to find out, and refresh. Now, I'm not clicking anything else, but I'm doing exactly, see? It's not on there. That's how easy this is, guys. If you choose different countries, okay, United States, maybe they've got it in the United States. Let's have a look. Okay, so Expressvpn in the United States. Let's go back to Train to Busan and see if they have it in their catalog. Guys, this is why I'm so impressed with Expressvpn. All right, you can see here it actually doesn't have it in the catalog. So I was right. You can only get it, and guys, you need to search. Okay, you need to search where these films are in the catalog. That's the easiest part. And watch any films you want. Now, let me talk to you a second just about the actual Expressvpn. Now, guys, this is what it looks like, all right? It's the best for streaming. I'm telling you, the best for streaming. Now, you can get your preferences up, okay, and change a few of the settings if things stop to happen. Now, what happens is when you try and connect to Netflix, they try and block you out. And all you got to do is change your IP. So click these dots here. And if you're trying to watch it in the Netherlands, just click the arrow and choose a different place in the Netherlands. This will connect you to a different server completely. Okay, same again if you want to do it in the United Kingdom, for example, choose a different one. They can't block all IPs. And Expressvpn is so fast at rebooting them. It's incredible. Now, when you go through your settings, okay, go onto the website of Expressvpn and actually look what you're comfortable with, keep your kill switch on, things like that. Go through all the protocols, everything you want to do, all right, and be comfortable with Expressvpn. It's 100% the best for streaming on Netflix, guys. I've showed you how you can change the catalog, how you can get involved with all different ones, and it's super simplistic. You have an extension up the top like that, and you can just simply click South Korea and it will automatically connect. All right, it's that quick and that easy, guys. So have fun watching different catalogs. And I honestly think if you don't hit that link down below, you're going to miss out on the most incredible deal for Expressvpn that there's ever been since I've been reviewing this channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, hit that link down below to get the most exclusive deal for Expressvpn. And I will see you on the next video.